Yeah, so we're super excited for Expo this year, 2019 in Denver. Denver, of course, is Dish's hometown. So we're putting a little extra emphasis on our participation this year. We're starting off with a dealer appreciation party the night before Expo starts. So if you're a Dish dealer or a friend, you can expect an invitation to a great cocktail party on Wednesday evening. But as for the show, we're really going to focus on a variety of things. Of course, we've got some new products that we're really excited to show everyone, but our main focus this year is going to be on our Concierge white glove service and support team that we created for the channel. So this is a group of 14, they're case management workers. That's their background, which means they're used to working cases, difficult cases that come through our customer service centers. And they are our frontline support for integrators. So if you're a Dish dealer, you've got access to this team. They're open 365 days a year, and they're in place for, you name it, tech support, pre-sale system design, scheduling of a Dish technician to come out and take a look at a new construction project or a commercial building or literally anything. We are at your beck and call to come out and take a look and size up a property for video capabilities. Of course, we do account builds for VIP clients. We do installs for our integrator partners. We do trouble calls. Not that there would ever be trouble on a Dish installation, but should that happen, we're ready to take your call.
So these are the guys that your custom integrators have been talking on the phone to for all this time, and they have no idea who these guys are behind the telephone.
That's right. And so a few months ago, we created some video interviews so that our integrators could kind of get to see what these folks look like who they've been talking to for the last couple of years. And we thought, well, Expo's coming to Denver. Let's have them in the booth. So we're going to have a whole section of our booth. Looks kind of like a Genius bar in an Apple store, but it's going to be our Concierge bar. And we'll have the team there rotating through to meet with our integrator partners or meet with prospective dealers. And I think it's a good opportunity for both sides, honestly. Our dealers get to see the folks who support them every day, and our support team gets to interact with these guys and get to know them a little bit, and really appreciate the situations that they're in, the environments they work in. We try and anticipate their needs. So that's going to be special.
And you got some new products as well. I just got one in the mail and I'm looking forward to trying it, the Google Remote.
Yeah, so Dish has been pretty committed to voice as an interface now for a couple of years. We announced support for Google Assistant last year, and then we recently upgraded that. So now we've got full Google Assistant integration into the Hopper, which means that our factory remote actually has Google branding on it, and the microphone, when you press and hold it, it brings up a visual interface on your TV, and you can do more than just search for content. You can really interact with the Google Assistant. So it's pretty cool. We'll be showing that in our Hopper Experience Room in the booth. We've got some other exciting news on voice as well. We did a native integration with Josh AI, which is really becoming popular in the channel. And we are super excited to work with those guys. They've been great to work with. Their tech lab happens to be in Denver, which made it really convenient for us. So we'll be showing our Josh integration. And of course, we still work super great with Amazon. So we'll be showing all of those voice user experiences in our booth. Other exciting advances in video and content include over-the-air antennas as well as streaming. On the streaming front, we've seen greater and greater adoption of Sling TV in the channel. We look at it as cord cutting for pros, right? Cord cutting is not just for cost conscious, but it's just for folks who are interested in exciting ways to get content. And I use Sling TV at home myself, and it's really come a long way. So Sling TV runs on a whole variety of platforms, but we also offer our own platform called AirTV. And so we've got a new product that was announced a month or two ago called AirTV Mini. And it's a small dongle style streaming stick that you plug right into your TV with an HDMI port, and it's got advanced Wi-Fi capabilities, 4K HDR support, and it's optimized to play Sling TV. Of course, that connects to our AirTV product, which hooks up to an antenna and sits on the network and provides local content to AirTV minis that could be all over the house, or it can provide local content to Sling TV and AirTV users that are running on Apple TV or Roku or Amazon Fire TVs or a whole variety of platforms that run Sling. So the whole ecosystem has evolved a little bit, and we'll have it on full display in the booth for integrators to come check out.